Happy birthday, Gwen! Happy birthday, anak ko! Si Gwen, guys, it's birthday. And here's Shakira. Bulalo. And we have butter chicken. Of course, we have chili oil. And what's this? This is beef curry. And we have what's that? Like the little bit. So, ayan, ngayon na namin sinelebrate. Yeah, it's birthday of Gwen today. So, let's celebrate the birthday of Gwen. We're waiting for the cake. The cake is coming. So, yan. Naka-order na yung cake niya. So, yan. Dito guys, ang daming tao dito. Dito makakamura kayo ng mga dito, mga burger. So, there's some Cuba. We're waiting for the cake. Here, the cake is there. We're waiting. Come you get your food now, Ache. Okay, I will. Ayan, kumakain na sila si Bill. Nahiya pa sa biik. Nahiya pa siya. Shakira. Come eat now. Pariwan. Kain tayo guys. Yan, ang pagkain ko. Pansit. Then, ito. Bulalo. Then, yan. Buttered garlic, buttered chicken. And there's a lot of pansit. We're waiting for the cake, guys. Happy birthday, 21st birthday. Still eating. Happy birthday, Gwen. The favorite is bulalo. Shakira. Look at that. Oh. Look at the Robert. Other. You. Okay, dali, i-blow mo lang. Just blow na. I-video ko na lang tapos video ko na lang ako. Okay. Gwen is blowing the candle. First candle. Okay. Pala. Very big blowing the candle. No need to sing na. Just blow the candle. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Okay, blow the candle na po. Blow your candle. Yeah, thank you. Thank you guys for watching. Let's eat.